Hey y'all, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're going to look at how to knit two together. And I've just knit up a little swatch of stockinette here to show you this simple right-leaning decrease. So we're going to knit these two stitches together. I'm going to start with my yarn in the back and I'm going to move my right needle to the left side of the second stitch. So there's the first one, there's the second one. So I'm going to put my right needle and I'm going to have them positioned as if I were to knit it normally, which I normally would knit like that. So I'm just going to go over two stitches and then I'm going to go into that stitch as if to knit it, but I'm going to go into both of them. There you can see my needle coming through. So there are two stitches on my left needle. I inserted my right hand needle into both of those stitches from the left as if to knit. And I'm going to yarn over and knit those two stitches, pulling it back through. You can see the two loops there. Then I'll slide it off the left hand needle onto my right needle. The stitch I see in the front is the second one that was on my needle. The first one is behind here. You can see it kind of loose back there. So they're stacked and the top stitch is leaning towards the right a little. And I'll just knit my last stitch in this row. And from here, it looks pretty similar to a regular knit stitch. If you look closely, you can see that it leans to the right there. Now what we've done is decrease the number of stitches we had by one by knitting those two together. So if I continue to knit this stockinette sample and continue knitting two together on these last two stitches here, the shape will start to go to the right as well because I'll keep taking one stitch from the end of the row there. So that is a quick and simple decrease for decreasing a single stitch in your knitting. Knit two together, abbreviated K2tog in knitting patterns.